Good morning, everyone. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and I hope you're doing well. Thank you for joining me. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. So today I am working in my personal journal, and I'm just going to do like a decorative page. I'm skipping over this page, and I'm going to use this page for documenting some of my dried flowers. They're losing their color, so I don't think they're going to stay colorful, but I'm going to try it and find out. I have these jar stickers that I was hoping to put over a couple of these. So my first thing, I guess, that I want to do is get my background, because I want it to be a color background, not just white, because otherwise the jars won't show up because they're white. You know, it's not going to show up. So I need to have a background. But I do want it to be solid, not too dark either. So I was thinking, I thought I had some pink in here. I don't know if maybe this pink would look good. Still kind of, maybe you do need something a little darker, Here's a darker pink. Yeah, I think that looks better. So I'm going to basically just cover this page with pink, and I might make it a pocket. I think that is what I'm going to do. First of all, though, I'm going to cut it to the right size, and then I will get that glued down. It is a beautiful, although chilly day today here in upstate New York. Where are you from? Leave me in the comments below where you're from. I'd be curious to know. And yeah, yesterday we went to a little presentation to figure out like what our best Medicare options would be. Like right now we just have regular original Medicare, and I wanted to see if maybe one of the managed, is it managed care? I forget what they call it, but maybe one of those would be a better option for us, you know? So I'm going to just glue this down. I'm also going to do this, and I'm going to glue it down with my 3-in-1 glue, which is basically the same thing as Fabri-Tac, but I have a hard time getting it out of this little one for some reason all the time. So maybe I need to do that. Alright, see if that helps. Yeah, so we figured that out. We can't really do anything until October, though. They're coming out with new options and new prices, so to check into it now would probably not be, be pointless. And then the man that was presenting it is from one of our local banks where we have our mortgage, and they do all this for free. We could make like our own personal consultation appointment with him. So it wasn't quite big enough or small enough. Now I'm going to have glue here. So I think I better put some plastic in here, and eventually I think I can rub it off, or I'll just put something over it. And these are really hard to get off. My daughter does it so easily, but I have a hard time. And I was thinking if there was room for two, because there's all different styles. And honestly, I don't even remember. Oh, there's a cute one. I can do that. I don't remember where I got them from. Probably Amazon. But I honestly don't remember. But I hardly ever use them, because I don't know what else to put in them other than dried flowers. But there's got to be other things I can do with these stickers. So I'm not sure if this is going to be a good idea trying to use these or not. But let's see. This one is still pretty colorful. Oh. Yeah, this is stuck down really good. I have a feeling that no matter what I do, they're going to turn white eventually, though. Okay. Oh my goodness. Well, we'll find out. So there's one. They stick right to it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Now I gotta worry about getting this off. I might need to do this part off camera, and I hope I don't ruin that flower. Maybe I should try to take it off for now. So it sticks to it like static cling. So be aware of that if you get these. Whatever you put under it, I don't know if it's just the flowers that would do it or not, but it's going to stick right to it, like cling to it. So I got that one off, and now I kind of remember why I don't use them so much, because they're very hard to get apart from there. I hope that works. They're hard to get apart from the, you know, the backing. Let's try this little white one. It's still got like an outline of pink, which, oh, I think would, oh no, I just totally destroyed this one. Okay, that's unfortunate. That one's mixed with another one, which kind of looks weird. There. Alright, let's see. I think that's upside down. I don't know if it matters, really. I guess not. Let's do that. Okay, here's my thing. Maybe I'll move one a little bit, like, not so. I wonder if I could... Oh, look at that. See what I mean? Oh. Yeah, I guess this is why I don't do it very often. Oh my goodness. That's totally messed up. Let's see if this one will work. There. That went up partly on this page here, though. Okay, let's see if we can do better with this one. Alright, so I finally got the backing off. I think it took me longer to get the backing off than to actually do the whole video. Oh, yeah, I don't recommend these for dried flowers anymore. I thought they would be good, but they just, as soon as you put them near the flower raises up like magic and sticks to it, and then it gets all folded. So, anyway, they are cute, they are pretty, but I actually don't recommend getting them. They're very difficult to get off, and the static cling, I don't recommend them for dried flowers. Let's put it that way. Because it just messes up the flower. Oh well. Anyway, let's see what else I can do with this spread. Alright, so I still have 3 decent flowers left, and I was thinking about just maybe like Mod Podging them down, and then if that's not enough, I could cover them with like packing tape. But like this one's super pretty, so I want to get them all on the page. I also need to be very careful. These are extremely delicate. These are impatiens flowers. They're very delicate. Maybe too delicate for what I'm trying to do. Or maybe I didn't dry them long enough. I don't know. They've been drying a week. So that could be it too. Maybe I didn't dry them long enough. So I can just put clear tape over these if I end up thinking it's too fragile. And it is going to be a little bit shiny around the edges, but that's okay. There. Get some on top. Whoops. Maybe too much. Yeah, maybe should get the stems too. Though yesterday after we went to the presentation, we got some lunch and went to a local fishing spot that's very peaceful on the Susquehanna River, and we ate our lunch there. We brought our dog, and it was really nice, but then I had to go to the bathroom, so we had to leave. And other people came, and I don't know about you, but I'm 65, my husband is 70, we're old, we're easy targets, and, you know, it was pretty remote, so when some other people came, I didn't feel comfortable sitting there. I know I'm a big chicken, but I can't help it. There's so much going on in the world today that I don't think you can be too careful. But there's a balance between being careful and, never leaving your house. So it's definitely a juggle and a struggle. Anyway, I will come back when this is all dry and show you how it looks. And this is fine. It's not messing up with turning the page or anything. I think these two came out really pretty. And so did these. This one just got folded in too much, and that one got messed up. But I could make a tag to go in there too, like this. And for now, I could just show you how that would look. That could go in there. And what I could do, I think, is make it like a patchwork tag. And maybe I'll show that at the end too. I'm not going to show making the tag because I've done that before, and this has got two different styles of corner, but that's all right. I don't want to waste this, so it's going in there. And I'll find a nice little piece of fabric to go through here. Maybe I'll just use paper to do this. I think I will just use paper. Guys, so this is my tag. I may put a label on here. In fact, I probably will, but I wanted to show you that I've decided to recut the sides here. So I'm going to do it on this side, and I'm going to have them both be the same. So let's see. I'll do this one. And do that there, and on this side. And hopefully I will get this in the middle over here. That's the whole thing. I think we're just about in the middle. There we go. Alright, so my stuff is still drying over there. Yeah, this is still drying. So I'm going to finish up my tag, which now looks like this on the other side. And I'll maybe dry that up with my dryer and come back. Okay. Alright, so this is my finished tag. I chose this fabric, which I thought was a really good choice to go with this one. And I'm just going to put it in here, like so. And you can see that my flowers are mostly dried. This one had more glue on it, I guess. I don't like how you can tell that there's, you know, Mod Podge underneath them like that. I should have maybe just done it on the top. I don't know. But I think the page is cute. But I don't think I would use Mod Podge on these again. Unless I was doing the whole page, maybe. But anyway, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and we shall see you again next time. Bye-bye.